Hey guys, how's it going? This is a quick 3-minute video. When I worked down at the Discovery Science Center. This is from September 2011, almost 10 years ago. It's a really cool place. It was a science center for kids, and they would have an annual spooky walkthrough thing, a maze that I would go down to paint for them, and I would get a lot of the people there that work there, students and volunteers, to help me paint this 3D maze. This year was called Bug Invasion 2. I had done a Bug Invasion once before, using all day glow colors, and I'd get them all set up. I'd draw everything out with chalk, and then I'd have workers come in, paint the white, and paint the different colors as instructed. It was really cool. And I do it all in 5 days, always 5 days. I would schedule to do that. Sometimes I would work up to maybe 12 to 14 hours a day just to make sure I got it done. But you know, I did the white, and then I'd have these guys come in, and guys and gals come in and do all the colors, fill it all in. And it was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. Every year I'd come back, and I did it for 10 years. And here's a picture of them all working away. We'd get about 5 people in there working, doing stuff. But it was really, really cool. And I ended up doing it for about 10 years. You can see there where I chalk it out, and then I just tell them, okay, paint this white, paint this yellow, paint this and that. And then I would come back in, and I would go ahead and trap everything in black with I used to sell vinyl at the time, and I'd have them come around too and touch up stuff. It was fun. And the kids love it, where you wear those chroma depth glasses. It splits up the spectrum this way, creates a 3D depth, chroma depth. That's why they call it that. Here's all the workers doing stuff, goofing around, having fun. Here it is, pretty much done, where I've outlined everything. And all the lights above are turned off, so when the kids come in, they walk through. It's really cool. And then they also go through other areas where they have the displays, like I showed you at the beginning, the giant grasshopper and stuff, and they have giant black widows and different things. But yeah, I'd go there every 10 years. I mean, every year for 10 years. This is kind of an outside shot and everything. They'd always have events and things going on the outside too. But this is in Santa Ana, right off the freeway on 5. Here's a look at the cube from the outside. That's what they called it, the cube. Anyway, thanks for watching this little 3-minute clip. See you next time.